Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out if any Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connection is hidden in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older than that, tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just move your mouse cursor to the network icon on the right bottom of the taskbar and just click on it. Now you will see available Wi-Fi, right? So let me show you. So I have a available Wi-Fi. So these are all the available Wi-Fi that are being shown here. So is there any hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections on my respective Windows computer? So for this, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start menu icon, and on the search box is search for one program name as command prompt, and on the right side you will see here run as administrator. Just click on it. Now your command prompt will get open. Now here you need to type one command. Just type net sh wlan space so space filters. Just type this command net sh space wlan space so space filters. Just type this command and hit enter, and now you will see all the list whether there are any hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections. So in my case, you can see here under the block list, you can see here I have one network Wi-Fi internet connections with a SSID or the username default. So you can see here under the block list, so I have a hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections on my respective Windows computer. So if you don't see here nothing, just like none, then you don't have any hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections. So you might be thinking, if there is any hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections on your respective Windows computer, then how you can unhide it. So I have already made a different video on that, so I'll be leaving that video tutorial on the video description, so you can check there how to unhide the hidden Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connections. So using this method, you can easily find out if any Ethernet or Wi-Fi internet connection is hidden in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.